ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರು, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗರ್ ಬನ್ನೋರ ಪರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ 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 ಸಮಯ 9 ಗಂಟೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಸಮಯ 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಗಂಟೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆ 23 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸಮಯ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಾನು ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ sorry yes, not on Tuesday, Tuesday. It's on yesterday, yes, Monday. On Monday, I drove the two mighty beasts which was launched, yes. But one was from Royal Enfield company, which was the Royal Enfield 350 Meteor, and another one was the Honda CB350, guys. Both for the Tucker, and for the same classic bike, we have another bike we can compare for this bike segment is the Benelli Imperial 400, guys. For that is 50cc more gear compared to compared to the Honda and the Royal Enfield Meteor. Basically we can compare the basically we can compare these bikes. Why I'm not why I'm not including the Java bike here. The Java 400 is in this bike because with the Java is not comparably compared with these three bikes here. For that I can't man, I'm getting Java bike in this segment because these three are called classic performance sporty bikes, we say basically, and in this segment Java is a classic also, guys, but Java is fully classic bike. It doesn't, you can't compare with the pickup, performance, braking, all that thing. Java will has a can be compared with distance. Basically, I drove did the the test drive of the two bikes. Basically, when I rode the Honda CH350, the total weight was on 190 kgs. Total weight carried out 190 kgs, and the bike looked very stylish. We had with a round stylish lamp with we have a analog speedometer come digital. We have digital. You have seen in the Trump bikes. Some bikes have an analog in the some bikes have analog that manual digital. Similar we without a bike, and the bike was the bike offers all kind of like tachometer, digital fuel gauge, clock, everything was there fully packed fitted with the Honda had everything, and it was fully equipped engine bike and weighs on 180 kg, and totally we're gonna get 5 colors. In this we had the black, red, then dark green we had, and we had a sky blue we had, and we had another color we have basically we had various colors we had in this Honda CH50. The when I'm riding this bike as my weight is around 100 kgs, and I'm about 6 feet tall, and riding with the pillion because when you see the salesperson, he might be 60 or 70 kgs weight, and I'm 100 kgs, probably for 160 kgs. So he was on the bike, and the bike was around 200 kgs. Totally around 350 to 400 kgs were there on the bike, and if the bike on around 400 kgs also, the bike pickup was good because I drove the bike at 60 speed also. The bike had good amount of pickup, then the torque engine, and it had good kind of handling was there. And because being the vehicle so heavy that sometimes while turning the bike, I felt that it's not for me. It's not for me because turning with the raining radius was so 4 meters for this bike, and it's so hard to turn this bike because that kind of feature it gives and heaviness it gives by the turning as per my experience. I'm telling the turning radius was very you can say very tight turning was turning radius. I was about to fall the bike like that. It's a very hard, it has a lot of weight in that bike, and that was what my experience was there. and also while riding that bike, I didn't fly by with that bike. I drove at 60 speed. I did a fly by before the in the Honda showroom in the main road only. The bike pickup was awesome. Being a single passenger, also single rate also, the bike had a good amount of lots of sporty pickup with that, and it can go. And the bike was lot of I didn't have the top speed of this vehicle may reach around 120 kilometers per hour, or 130, or because the top speed of this bike depends on the rider's weight as well. Rider's weight depends on the top speed of such bikes. Because if you are more on the carrier, the top speed will be limited to only 90 kilometers, 95 to 100 kilometers. But either if I carrier are 60, 70, your bike will go around 130, 140 will go, bike will go. And this Honda CB8 will go. And when you compare to the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, I wrote that burger had similar weight like 180 kgs, and had a round headlight bulb, and this bike had a different setup because the Honda 350 had a self-start like a normal commuter bike quality aspect, but this for self-driving this 150 meter we had to it's like a they are given a three mode startup button. Startup they are given a button like a switch. First on the switch, the ignition. So second you just press the ignition to the left side, then the bike comes to the roaring engine. That's how the bike is. It's only because in this bike there's no like the original there's no self-start mechanism. There's no kill switch or the self mechanism is not there to start your bike or off the bike. You just use the key to switch off your bike, and you have to start your bike. You have to use the left side. Left side you have to start the bike. Just press once left and it will just start left. Totally you have to start. And in this also we have two modes here. Both have modes. We have both have, and this both have ABS. It comes with dual channel ABS cam, but both the bikes while turning in the main road or turning in the crosser, I felt for me the bike is heavy. Being riding a Pulsar 150 or Pulsar series bikes, my friends' bikes also, which is on a 130 140 kg. After driving a huge bike like this to use a sportsy cruiser bike with 200 kgs of weight, raw weight, because while turning, I felt that for me hand pain or leg will hand pain or back pain will come for surely if I ride such bikes for as per my experience. I'm telling while riding this bike, and while riding alone, I did a flyby of bullet was I did a flyby of bullet was guys. Pickup was same engines that it had both Honda and Royal Enfield. When you raise the engine at the top limiter, this bike of the old if old 350 people were using modified exhaust like I was saying the pataka sound. Same that the whole pataka sound would come when I raised this all the meter 350 the same in the higher rev one. This bike would put the pataka sound out of the exhaust. The ladder door does come sound was coming, and when compared all around, both had the same engine CC, same dual engine ABS, same curb weight, and the same riding mode seater, same digital meter, and the same. But Royal Enfield has an inbuilt navigation system, but Honda we don't know that has a navigation system inbuilt or not. But in the but Royal Enfield you just connect to download an app in the mobile phone, and then you have to connect to the Royal Enfield to use the map on board. But that's a new feature I saw in this cruiser bike of Royal Enfield 50. About the price and pricing, I think so. Honda has around 1.7 lakh 65 lakh rupees section Bengaluru, and about the bullet on around meter also comes around below 2 lakh rupees only. Honda has two models here, but the Royal Enfield has around three models here. I saw some Supernova, and then the Meteor, and another one model is there in Royal Enfield. The new one, but I thought that the 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 launching was been delayed. Delayed because when the Benelli released the Imperial 400 in 2019, that time only Honda had to release the competitor bike for Benelli. Why did Honda and Royal Enfield release the competitor for Benelli Imperial 400 next year November I released the bike. I don't know what the company people what had in that time in mind, thinking that they're not getting compared to the Benelli Imperial Foreign. I guess now we have a Tucker with Benelli Imperial Foreign. Benelli Foreign has 50 horsepower more than the boat bikes comparatively. But the Benelli also has the same round headlight, same digital meter we have. But in Royal Enfield, we have the Royal Enfield, we have the split seat version we have. But in Honda we have flat seat for both plane and the rider. And in Royal Enfield we have a cushion seat at the back as a backrest here. But in Honda we don't have that feature. Basically in Honda, which color you buy, the we have the we have colors that we are going to get dual tone seats. We will be getting seats will be getting as when you open black, we'll be getting a different seat. We'll be getting that different seat colors here, different body colors. We can say like dual tone seats. We are totally dual tone. You're getting Honda is giving. We can have the different and the seat is different. The other types are in the Honda bike as well. But in Bullet, there's already standard. Today in Bullet we have total three colors. We have three colors. Which bike which high road was the sky blue version. The Duster road was the sky blue version, yes. And but Empire front, around Empire front might be BHP might be the difference in BHP engine power, engine torque, and everything else in the top speed also. For however, this is the thing. And if you want to buy this bike, please go to the Honda. Honda has a special showroom for these bikes, guys. Showroom bike. You want to book super bike or buy the African Tour or Honda 750. Go to Honda. Between some showroom is there is in the Honda Lavalier Road, in the Honda Lavalier Road in MG Road. It's basically Honda Vittel Mahal Road in MG Road, guys. And Bullet, any show you go, you will get the Bullet channel. Bullet we can buy it. This is my experience of the both of the three bikes, guys. Of the but the Benelli Imperial, I don't know, guys. Because nowadays made a video on that bike. Citizen better on that's a video. That's a video because that's a video how the bike performs in the real life situation. But the two bikes I already made a video, guys. The test videos will be coming soon, guys. Or the Honda and the Royal Enfield Bullet will be coming shortly, guys. Video will coming shortly on my YouTube channel, guys. Both feature video and the tester video, guys. And this is my riding experience. But I'm just showing to making a video, guys, about company of the three bus Honda CB350, and then the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, then the Benelli Imperial 400, guys. Totally now we have three bikes Tucker we have to because buying such crosser bikes goes on the riders experience which he likes to buy, guys. About the spare parts, accessories, and the service of the bike is still not mentioned, guys. What will be the actual service cost after 1,000 km of the bike, or the what all accessories will be getting after accessories will be getting with the bike will be getting, and also such things you have to wait, guys, about the three things about the such things. Features that we see what accessories will be giving for the Honda side or the Infiniti side. Auto accessories like the crash guard or modified the exhaust, mufflers, or windshield, everything we will see, guys. But we'll see what we're getting. After pricing, Bullet is around that. Both three bikes comes around between 1.6 lakh to 2 lakh rupees. Or the Benelli Imperial might be around 2.5 lakh or it comes to 3 lakh rupees more. I think it comes 1 lakh rupees more than the Benelli and the Honda and the Royal Enfield Meteor, guys. It is just my user experience I'm telling of the bike which has road and came. About don't ask question of the Benelli bike, guys, because Benelli no motor has rode that bike still now also. The Benelli Imperial phone and made a feature on that test anything on that thing. But for that bike you could please go and ask for a showroom buddy if you want to buy that book that bike. About you can ask question of Honda and the Royal Enfield. We will reply in the comment section, guys. For this much, this is my user experience and the riding experience of the boat bus. That will be coming soon on my channel, guys. Just wait for it, guys. This is Benito Pratik signing off on Nama Bengaluru, guys. Nama Bengaluru. I'll be seeing you shortly on the next video shortly, guys. Read, always wear a helmet, always wear a clean and authorized N95 mask, and do social distancing with your friends when you're meeting someone, and ride safe, guys. That's all, guys. Namaskar, bye bye. Thank you.